AI conversations are useful while they are open, but the context that matters can end up scattered across many exports, formats, and tools. Threadline is my attempt to make that context portable, without giving up human control. Here I import two personal build week notes, a JSON conversation export, and a Markdown note. The app accepts both formats together, validates the files, and sends valid sources to the backend. That boundary matters. The browser never receives an OpenAI API key. The backend checks basic file limits, UTF-8, and JSON syntax first. If a source cannot be processed, Threadline reports that source and the reason, instead of failing silently. The backend uses the OpenAI Responses API with GPT 5.6 to propose structured context entries. Every entry includes a type, a date when one is supported by the source, and a traceable reference back to its original file and location. For JSON, that location is a standard JSON pointer. For Markdown, it is a visible line range. That makes the proposal inspectable, rather than asking the user to trust a black box. Threadline does not silently turn a model response into memory. Instead, it presents a review queue. I can accept an entry, edit its wording, or reject it entirely. Here I keep important build week milestones, improve one summary, and reject a deliberately silly idea about using 3 dramatic robots as narrators. If I change my mind, I can reopen a reviewed entry. The final context is built only from the decisions I make, then exported as either JSON or Markdown. The project also includes a no-key demo mode. It gives judges a repeatable way to explore import, review, and export without exposing anyone's credentials or consuming an API budget. This recording uses the live path, so the actual GPT 5.6 extraction is visible. Codex helped throughout this project, from shaping the product and canonical schema, to building the Vue frontend, Fastify backend, tests, documentation, and this demo flow. GPT 5.6 provides the interpretation and extraction. Threadline provides validation, provenance, and the final human decision. The result is a small but working workflow for turning scattered AI context into something structured, traceable, and genuinely under the user's control.